I should write a song about how the rain won't stop. I should write a song about my recent heartbreak. I should write a song about how the world is burning in flames. But would it ever be enough? What am I gonna do about it when nothing seems right? What am I gonna do about it when I'm knee deep in debt? What am I gonna do about it when I can't even get off my bed? Maybe next time I'll get it right. Only time will tell, so there's no need to yell. If I had the skill or patience, I would have done it all before you even said so. There's no way to escape, so why so much hate? I can only do one thing at a time, so maybe next time